questions that I get asked is, how do I make multiple levels? Okay, so let's do that. So we've got here play again, but let's change this. Let's change this to next level, okay? So instead of play again, we got next level. Okay, go okay. And then restart current, we haven't actually made yet, so we need to go back out, go to game levels, click on new level. It's going to have new level here. And we're just going to call this level 2. And again, we could change the color for this. We could make this one red, for example, if we want to, okay? And to load the actual level, we need to click on load. But before we do that, we're just going to make sure that next level is chosen here in this load level. So we've got restart current. So we can have go to next one, previous one, use the input value, level 1, level 2. And that's the one that we want, level 2. So click OK. And also the sprite isn't probably that suitable, so let's change that as well. Let's go to menu. And again, you can change this to whatever, which one you want. Let's do that one there, like that. Okay, so next level. Move that like that. That. So when it goes to 0, it's going to go to next level, which is this one here. Okay, so there's nothing here at the moment, but we've got our little library here. We haven't actually gone through this one. So click on library, and all the elements, all the objects that you have for that game will appear here. For a free account, you will have I think up to 50, but for this one it'd be absolutely fine. Unlimited for students and teachers, and also if you get an indie one. So what do we want? We want the target. So click on target, click on add to level, and it will already do the cloning. So make sure you don't double click. So let's do 3 objects here. Okay, once you've done, do done cloning. And click on library again, click on control, click on add level. Let's put it outside the box here. You'll see the box to start and stuff like that. Click box to start. The box and the color isn't very good, so maybe we'll change this color to something else. Let's try yellow, see what that's like. That's okay. So click OK. And now if I click play, and you'll see the sound play, see how it's already done. We don't have to do anything because we've already done the code for it, okay? Which is really good. And again, we can do play again for next level. Click on that, put that there, for example. And instead of choosing level 2, we can just do next level, for example, and it will just continuously go to next level and be dynamic enough to go to the next level. So click on play. It won't click because there's nothing to go around, right? Because there's no more next level after this. Okay, so if I do this one, you'll see how it's next level. It will go to level 2. Click on next level. And then we've got that one. Next level, but obviously we haven't created it. So you just have to think of each stage. Remember to have some sort of plan when you create more complex games. Let's make another level now, but we're going to have this one called loss. So we go new level. Okay, we're going to call this one loss or die. It's like the end one. We're definitely going to make this one red. So let's make that one red there. Click on OK. Load the level. Okay. And again, let's create a sprite. We're going to call this one, because we used to have a play again button, we're just going to have this one restart. So restart. So this is going to be the restart game. So restart game. Okay, so go to edit sprite. Again, it doesn't matter which one you choose. I'm going to click on these arrows because it's there. Why not? And then I'm going to put some behaviors in this. So click on down. And then we want this one, game flow, to now restart the game. So it's going to restart the entire game if you lose. It's not going to just restart the current one. It's going to restart the whole thing. So we don't want the players, or the player doesn't want to get to this level. So down goes to go. Okay, so click on that and restart the whole game. Okay, and we could put a bit of text there, like well, what we want to do is we want the timer to get to a certain point, and if it's too high, the player will lose, right? Because there's no like loss condition. So we're going to have something like too slow. So let's go to GUI, labels, and then you are too slow. Or something like that. Let's make that white. Again, center, it's entirely up to you how you do it. Have that like that. So you are too slow. Click on that, and it will change it. So let's actually set that up. So if we actually play this game, what number do I get? So I get 177, okay? Let's say if I do 200 or more, I've gone too slow and I need to change it. I need to go to that loss level. So let's go here. So go to edit, go to behaviors. And as we've got a filter here, we're going to have a filter down here, okay? So it'll go down here and then activate. So logic and maths, go to filter, put that down here. Out is going to go to in, right? Let's move that across over here. Hold it down shift to move individual ones if I want to, or if I want to do the whole thing, I don't hold down shift. So what did I say? 200. So let's make this 200 for start. So 200. And then we can have greater than 200, equal to 200. I would say greater than 200, or greater than or equal to 200. So if it's 200 or more, this will activate. This will pass the test, and it will go to this level. So go to game flow, load level, click on go, like that. Just like we did before, pick level, and this one we definitely want to do loss. So click OK. Now if I go back to the game, click on a box, and I'm too slow clicking on these boxes, the minute it goes to 200, too slow, I have to restart the game. That means I have to be quicker to go to the next level.